Welcome to the Refocus Cloud section. I am so excited to walk you through this special exercise. This was actually the very first exercise I ever created when I was building the 2015 version of the Dream Planner. And it's designed to be a space for you to map out all the things that are swirling around in your head, all the things you have to do, all the things that are weighing you down, all your obligations. As well, I can speak for myself, like as a mom and a businesswoman, like there's a lot of plates to be spinning, right? And whatever season of life you're in, I know you have lots of different plates that you're spinning. Maybe you're in school, you're taking care of a loved one, like you're in the middle of a home renovation, like whatever is going on for you, it's important for us to take time to refocus and also to really reflect on what we want to stop doing, what kind of distractions we're up against in this season of life. So this is what we're going to do. Open up to the Refocus Cloud, and we are going to fill it out on this page. Now, I want to start with your obligations. You can see that's this section of the Refocus Cloud, and this is designed to eventually look like a bubble chart. I don't know if you remember doing bubble charts in school when you were coming up with ideas or concepts. I loved bubble charts, but basically we're going to map out all these different areas. I want you to start to write them down. The first one is going to be your obligations. So draw out all of your current obligations in your day-to-day life, the things that you have to do, the things you spend your time doing. What are the responsibilities in your life? You know, if you're looking at Q1 of the year, and this is, we're doing this at the beginning of the year when you are getting your planner. So I want you to think about the month January through March. What are your obligations? One of your big obligations, like it or not, is preparing for your taxes, right? That's an obligation. We are all obligated to do that, to give unto Caesar what belongs to Caesar. So taxes, I'm going to put that down. That is something to start preparing for if you haven't already. Your job, laundry, chores, bills. What are the things that you have in your obligations? Next, I'm going to say all of them, and then I'm going to give you some time to fill out your Refocus Cloud. The next thing that you're going to write down is what are your major focuses for this upcoming season? So in the month of January through March, what are some of the big things happening in your life, right? It's in the winter season, preparing for spring. What are some of the things that you're going to be focused on? What are you preparing for? What are the big things going on? What are the major events, demands, issues, people, dreams that you're going to be focused on? And be honest about it. What are some of those things that you're focused on? The third section is passions. What are some of the things in your life that make your heart happy? I believe we all kind of have this candle and flame inside of our spirit, and there are things that we do, activities that we do that make our flame burn brighter. Maybe it's a dance class, maybe it's worship, reading your Bible, working out actually does make you feel better, right? Like, what are these things? And maybe it's some stuff you haven't done in a long time. It's been buried from busyness. It's been on the back burner. What are some of those passions, things you used to love to do that you just don't have time for anymore? Take time to consider those passions. And then lastly, I want you to write down your main distractions, aka the things that steal your time and your mind. Some distractions are activities, like right here, the phone. The phone's a huge distraction. That would be one, social media. And then some things are thought patterns, like self-doubt, replaying scenarios in your head, distraction of people-pleasing, right? We're always saying yes. We're always picking up the phone every time someone calls. What are some of the distractions? Maybe they are things that you do to escape. What are those escape mechanisms that you're using to kind of escape the day-to-day? So I'm going to put 5 minutes on the clock, and I want you to list out your obligations, your focuses, your passions, and your distractions. All right, we're going to put 5 minutes on the clock. Start to build out your Refocus Cloud. Okay, hopefully you have your Refocus cloud mapped out. I'm so proud of you. I've got mine here. And what I want you to consider now is your passion side and your distraction side. A beautiful thing that we can consider right now is, what distractions do I want to minimize and kind of put an X on so that I can make more time for my passions? So I want you to take some time and draw a heart next to some of the passions that you want to make more time for this year, and put an X next to the things that you would like to minimize and be intentional in maybe completely laying down, or at least minimizing in your day-to-day life. So let's take a minute to draw some X's and some hearts. Good job. You have done your Refocus cloud. One of the things I love about the planner is every season we will do the Refocus cloud again, because what we're juggling in our seasons of life change from season to season. So I will be excited to do that with you again in the next season. So we're now going to move on to the next section of setting up our dream planner.